Hello there, you're watching Steel-Eyed Guy again. I'm your host Stephen B. On this video, we're looking at the Aero, the RS AERO, and an event that took place in Sword Sailing Club on the 27th and 28th of July 2024.
That's a decent one. Yeah.
So a little bit about the Aero. It was designed in 2014. There were three different variants. The Aero 5, this was designed for children. The Aero 7, which was designed for medium weight sailors, and the Aero 9, designed for heavyweight sailors. The boat had a displacement, or does have a displacement of 30 kilograms, a draft of 0.3 meters. It was designed by Joe Richards in the United Kingdom. This design has won several awards, including the 2014 Paris Boat Show. In the Netherlands in 2015 it won an award, and in Estonia also in 2015. The boat was also named Sailing Boat of the Year in 2015. So here we are at the start of race 1. There are 6 races in total on the slate for this weekend. The event was sponsored by Matropics, painters and decorators, very kindly sponsoring this event. So there's a total of 13 boats entered into this event, and here we go. Nice clean start. Everybody's racing a 7 size sail, bar one. I think one boat has on a 9. There is actually an additional option that's become available recently, a 6 sail, and the 6 sail is supposed to be comparable to the standard laser rig. They share a similar PY, in other words. So rounding the first top mark, boats are still fairly well bunched together.
Very tight, isn't it? Giving out of it. You creep in a bit there. Get in a bit closer. There's Roy. Come on, Roy. Lovely. Wow, it's very tight.
So as race 1 progressed, the wind started to die down a bit. It started to lighten out. So a lot of the guys would start to shift their weight to leewards, and get that sail up in the sky as high as possible.
Head of traffic. Right, yeah.
And there goes Commodore of Sword Sailing Club, Paddy Woodhams.
Hurry up, you're slow.
A little bit of banter going on there.
Why are you so slow in that big night?
There's Thomas Jack throwing an attack. The committee boat decided to christen him Hastings. Anybody got any clue? Stick your answer in the comments below if you have any ideas why they were calling him Hastings.
Drop right down. Look at the green boat coming to the leeward mark, and the wind is just slowly but surely disappearing.
So, the top three boats are approaching the finish line, doing a lot of tacking. Considerable amount of tacking. So, crossing the finish line in race 1, Thomas Shacks on 1066, coming in first. And in second place, Noel Butler, 4541. Both from National Yacht Club. And third in that last race was Roy Van Manen, 3822. This is race 2 now on the way. The wind actually picked up quite significantly for race 2. The finish of the previous race went very, very light.
Where will we go? That's the process. biscuit in race 4.
So finish line for race 2, and Noel Butler, 4-5-4-1 from National Yacht Club, wins this race, followed by Thomas Shack on 10.66, and in third place Dara Sheridan from Hope Yacht Club on 4.179. And this is Roy Van Man crossing in fourth place. He's also from Hope Yacht Club, again on 3.822. So this is the start of race 3, and the wind has picked up nicely. It actually swung around before race 2, a 180 swing, and it's coming from the east, and it's really, really nice now.
Back out. Okay, good. Go forward now. Guy here, something happened. Oh, you know what that is? It's not good. That's what it is.
So finish line for race 3. Dara Sheridan crosses in first place, followed by Noel Butler in second, Thomas Jack in third, and from Blessington, Kevin Stollard finishes in fourth. Start line for race 4. There was only meant to be 3 races today, but because conditions were so stable, the race officer, Les Siobhan Brothers, decided, let's get an extra race in. So here is race 4.
Yeah, all good. Yeah, all good. Similar thing again. Could be okay.
So finish line for race 4, and Thomas Chack takes another bullet, followed by Noel Butler in second place, and Dara Sheridan comes in third.
So one second place.
And one of the local sailors from the local sailing club here, Sword Sailing Club, Roy McKay, coming in fourth place.
Mark boat, this is Station over. Mark boat here, go ahead. We will collect the marks as we follow Andrea around, over. Roger that would be great. That leaves you free to escort the fleet in, so to speak, over. Roger that.
So that was it for the first day of racing here at Sword Sailing Club. The conditions were really nice. It started off a little bit weak, but then it got better and better as the day went on. There's another 2 races scheduled for the next day, because we got the extra race in today. So let's get on with day 2 here at the Aero Northern Championships at Sword Sailing Club. Boats are on the green, ready to launch. Let's go.
So here we are, day 2 at the Aero Northern Championships in Swords, with markedly clearer skies.
So here we are at the first race on day 2, race 5. Boats are lining up for the start line. Oh, those boats are a little bit over the line, maybe more than half them. We're going to have to go to a restart. Here it is now.
It's all over again. We're all over again.
So in this start the fleet got away, but there was one boat that had to be recalled. It was Roy McKay from Swords. So he came back and restarted.
There we are. Fine. Back in again. Roy has to go back. That's got ahead of 2 boats.
So this is the finish line for race 5, and Dara Sheridan crosses for Holt in first place. And in second place, Thomas Chack from the National Yacht Club passes in second place. And in third place, Kevin Stallard from Blessington, followed by Roy Van Man from Holt Yacht Club. So here we are, the second race of the day, the 6th race of the series. It's relatively close at the top between Thomas Chack, Dara Sheridan and Noel Butler. Let's see how this plays out.
closer there. Come. A little bit more. Okay, okay. I'll do. Carl. Keeping it moving. Finish on the final race.
So it looks like Thomas Chack is going to take honours for the last race. Does this mean he's won the championship? Coming in second, Dara Sheridan from Holt. And in third place, Noel Butler from the National Yacht Club. And in fourth place, Roy Van Man, Holt Yacht Club.
You're welcome. Nigel, I think. How rude from the Commodore.
So that's it. That's the Northern Championships at Swords. The Northern Championship sponsored by Metropics. All the results we will find on the Sword Sailing Club website. They're all there. And if you would like to subscribe to this channel, I would be most grateful. Congratulations to the winners again. Thomas Chack, Dara Sheridan in second place, and Noel Butler in third. And big thanks to Sword Sailing Club for hosting the event. This is Steel Eye Guy. Till next time, bye for now.